surges white, which no stars illumine and no moonlight. A ship comes swiftly sailing without wind blown to a northern strand in Erie from a land unknown. Kindler of the beacon that warns from Fanad's coast, say if there went by you a vessel like a ghost, and told she by signal her port and her name. The weird ship you ask of not this way came. Watch her o'er the billows from Seagirt to Rye, say if at early night any ship went by. And came she from the Northland, or came she from the West, or rose she like a phantom from ocean's grey breast? We saw ere utter darkness gloomed on our island, the sea in twilight silver glimmered a while. The gulls rise up screeching from their roosts by the sea, as if a ship went by them, but no ship saw we. The first place we saw her was at the harbor bar. The lights at her masthead burst like a star. Without wind to bring her, she came to the strand. God that ruleth ocean, she sailed upon the land. An old man among us crossed himself in dread. I alone have seen her, I and others dead. Black woe will follow, the ship of doom is here. She hath not sailed the Irish hills since the famine year. On past the sandhills, through the waving bent, right up the village street the tall spectre went. And watchers at the window saw towering sail and mast, and a low sound like water, and wind seethe past like a dust cloud of summer that whirlwinds lift. On past the houses we watched the vessel drift, till she rose and then sank again on a hilltop high, and the lights at her stern vanished mid the stars of the sky. Is her name on earth known, that can pass without piercing of the granite stone, that can sail o'er the mountains and pause not nor reel, with their eagle's crest tossed skyward like a wave below her keel? In Erin's isle of sorrow she is known since days of old. No storm wind can stay her, no mountain wall withhold her. She can come by land or sea, and she is here, oh Erin dear, for anchorage in thee.